It's a painless process. I've become very good at it. All right, Hickman Road all the way back. Right? Ready? I really don't like this road. It is. It should be wider than this. Not 2 lanes, but it should be wider. It should be a shoulder on either side. You know, it just, and there should be no passing on this road at all. Bike dudes who don't wave, pretentious pricks. I think we're back in North Carolina now, aren't we? Right here? This is the state line, right? Yeah. RV. That's ridiculous. I mean, they're really nice inside, but God, that's so freaking big. They can't, I mean, I would be a very, I mean, I've driven tractor trailers before, but I'd be afraid to tow that. Yeah, me too. You know, at 5 miles to the gallon. Yes, I have. But again, you know, the fuel mileage that they get, you know, 5 gallons to the mile. And you got to tow. You have to tow your car, otherwise you're taking the house with you to the store. Well, most of these people are they're destination travelers. We're going from here to there to there to there, and they're hitting all the RV parks. No, I know, I get it. Yeah, I totally get it. Imagine you're on the thruway, we're going to a Americade. Yeah. Let's scoot over to the right lane. I gotta plug my phone in. It's got a low battery warning. Well, I'm not worried about it. Are you worried about it? I'm busy. Yes. Okay, so I suppose so. I am. Let's go. Let's do it. Nah. 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 Oh, so you know what? Funny you should say that, because when we were up at that wedding in Philly, on the way back, we stopped and got pretzels. Well, if you want some, come over. If you want some, come over to the house. You know what? It works good. You know, it's easy to use. The only thing I don't like about it is the sound quality is horrible. I think, you know, because when I was riding down to the Keys, I try to listen to music and I have to turn it off because I can't, because it sounds like shit. You can't turn it up too much because it sounds very tinny. You know, it sounds really tinny. It's like, you know what the song is, but you can't tolerate it because it's so bad. They were great. The audio on the Uclear was great, but you just can't fucking use the damn thing. I have no idea. I'm afraid to do it. All I need to do is do that, and then you know, I don't have audio at all. I'm fucked. keep going. I don't care. I'll keep going straight. I'll follow you. Yeah, why not? I don't care. I don't care. Okay. I want to call.
I never saw that.
75.6. Aight. I'll chat with you later, man. I'm gonna go home the long way. I'm gonna go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that ride with brother Tim. It was a lot of fun. A little chit chat. I know you probably couldn't hear him, and that's okay. We had fun though, and hope you enjoyed that. A lot of fun. So anyway, yeah, it's looking like 3 weeks from this video, I will be officially retired, and we're going to do that retirement ride. Probably going to be some sort of retirement party. Preparations for Sturgis are happening very well. I've got new accommodations. I'll be staying at a Airbnb in Rapid City. Very nice little place, nice little neighborhood. North Carolina probably on Tuesday, because it's going to take me that long to get there. I figure I'll be averaging about, I don't know, a little over 500 miles a day. Like 3 days to get out there, 3.5 days. That's all right. Well, we'll see. That's coming, but preparations are being made, and you know, I'm doing that. Oh, well, I certainly hope the audio was better today than it was last time. Holy crap. Unfortunately, the camera died. Yeah, nose cam is still working good. I was thinking about adding the Insta360 camera, because I need a 4th camera to do more editing with, right? Oh my god. I'm such an idiot. I really am. Hey, what the hell? We all have our hobbies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I have to do it here at the front camera. Thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. If you haven't already subscribed, I don't look at the algorithms and all that stuff. I can't be bothered. You know, if you look at the algorithms, you'll see it in the analytics, and you'll see how well your videos are doing and what videos. Nah, just shut up. I don't care. Right? I'm not looking at them. No, it's just if you want to watch, you watch. If you don't want to watch, you don't watch. I don't give, whatever. So anyway, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. It's great. I mean, I appreciate that, right? Again, I don't care about the analytics. I got better things to worry about. But subscribe down, comment down below. Say hello. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what you ride. All right? I won't remember any of it, but maybe I will. You never know. I know some of you have commented and congratulated me on my upcoming retirement. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I do read every comment, and I respond to every comment. Remember that. I will respond. Always respond to your comments. Always. So if you comment, I will write back to you. I promise. All right? But thanks again for watching. Thanks for watching Ride with Ted. This is Ted. And don't forget, Motorcycle Men Podcast is also out there. I'm the host of that. And I got my 2 brothers and a good friend of ours, as a co-host. So please listen to the podcast too if you want, if you're into that kind of a thing. Otherwise, thank you very much for listening. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe down below, comment, and all that. And otherwise, ride safe, kids. Ride safe. And peace. As always, peace out. And rock and roll.